tranquil as a forest, but on fire within. Once you find your center, you are sure to win. You're a spineless, pale, pathetic lot, and you haven't got a clue. Somehow I'll make a man out of you. You still look like a cute emo boy. I look gay when I do it. I mean, this me is
You look like a little
dog. I'm a little dog.
What are we doing?
You're tongue my way.
Yeah. Because I had to ask what we were doing. I didn't know what was going to happen next.
You would have found out.
Oh.
I think my phone just fell. Hand me that pink object.
There you go.
Thank you, sweet angel.
Yeah, I got you.
Would you rather eat a cat or screw a duck?
Eat a cat.
Would you rather have sex with a whale or have a whale have sex with you?
I'm not entirely sure what you're asking.
You're penetrating it or it's penetrating you.
I'd rather have sex with a whale.
You just crawl inside of it and just let that be it.
Okay, yeah.
Ew.
There he is.
Would you rather be 11 feet tall or 11 inches tall?
11 inches.
Why?
Because snuggling.
You know, I've pondered this question many a time.
Yeah.
And I always found myself to choose being invisible because you could just mess with people all the time.
Don't.
That was a manly sneeze.
Thanks. Would you rather have sex with me or have sex with Bro?
You? Because you're me?
A limo. Stuff?
I guess so.
Okay, would you rather eat almonds or pecans?
I don't like either.
Okay, well, then which one would you rather eat?
Almonds, because they are smooth and I like the texture of them, whereas pecans just get stuck in my braces.
Putting your butt on my personal pillow.
It's clothed.
You don't know where that's been.
The pillow or my butt?
Both.
Well, now they've been together.
Cameras. I have cameras everywhere.
Her.
Watching your little sister do things.
Do we need to have a talk?
Yeah. Okay. I really like salami. That's gay. You're gay. We get it. No, like, stop it. Actual tasty salami.
Okay, my meatballs.
You make good meatballs?
Yeah. Sincerely.
Okay.
And sexually.
Oh.
I love the question. Sexually. Oh.
I'm okay with that.
But you already were one.
True.
You can't argue with the facts.
I am like a spirit.
Daryl's gonna be here for a while.
Yeah.
You remember?
Yeah, Daryl's gonna be here a while.
Hey, hot Leo. Look. Hot Donna.
You're like sinking.
I'm getting like progressively more comfortable. I'm bald underneath my wig. That's why my hair is so square.
True.
Hey, Donna,
Yeah.
do you have a nice butt, you child? Didn't you have Pocky or something?
I do.
You want a Pocky game?
Do you want to right
Down. I'm down to clown.
now? Above.
You did it.
I
Good
did.
job, pal.
Is this cuddling?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
But, I don't think he likes me anymore, so.
Oh?